Today I painted this one to show my students how they can create a minimalistic paintings, like with this leaf and a fork and just this colors. So if you like it, please give me a heart. Thank you. I have here few colors. You can see any colors, but must green color. You have to take some green colors. Now we need some leaves to take. Then you can take some fork like this, okay, and a paintbrush. Okay, can you see? Okay, and we need a paper, dark color, black color also. You can take any dark color, like if you have black color chart paper, you can take that. Otherwise, any dark color. Okay, so shall we start? Take the long leaf first, and then look here. Take some water. Put here. Now, okay. Are you liking it, students? This colors only, I have only these colors. I don't have any pink color. Otherwise, you can sky. So first take the dark blue color like this way. You can use all your fingers. Like